So here we are getting ready to from Copenhagen to Vienna, if all is lucky and if everything goes as planned. Unfortunately, as you can see from the raindrops on the window, it's raining, which is something we haven't had a lot of here in Copenhagen, but yeah, we've got it the day we leave. This is the Coh&Co showroom. Logos and light boxes and bicycles and a velo sled. My steed for this trip, my bike for this trip will be a Siggi. Just getting ready to pack it up here, and actually I need to get more stuff on it because it doesn't weigh enough yet. So everything that was on that bench actually needs to go with us. Beautiful Swedish countryside, rain and all. We made it from Poland. We're in Germany, and maybe in the back there is an exploded bridge that was blown up by the retreating German forces during the Second World War to keep the Russians from crossing it. And we were so lucky to get the last ferry after the last ferry, together with some other people. So we're lots of cyclists that are lucky tonight. And we even got something to eat, and now we need to find a place to stay. It's the morning, and we're on our way to Coh&Co, which is on its way to Berlin. Yeah, the great thing is, it's really gravel. Thank God for suspension on small wheels. This is actually quite a bit of fun. We just found some gravel road, which is just gravelly enough to be fun. I just left your hand this morning. I'm about 90 kilometers outside of Berlin, about halfway to Dresden, maybe a bit less. And this is a nice little road, path road with a tarmac. Here I've got this sign, you can see it now probably, boom, boom, boom. And the sign is telling me that I should always keep the gate closed because there's African pig sickness. The one little voice in my head says I haven't seen a wild boar yet, so just open the gate, go through, close the gate, ride 2.5 kilometers and forget about it and do the same thing on the other side. The other one says find a different route. Oh, almost forgot to say, I'm on my way to pick up a friend named Ian, and Ian is the founder of Hexlocks. We've been exhibiting at the same bicycle shows for several years and gotten to know each other, and now is actually the first time we really get to spend some time together privately. So it's going to be great fun. Here's Ian, here's me, here's Siggi, and here we are with our first meeting of the Elbe, which we are going to follow for the next 3 days. Actually, this is quite beautiful.
Actually, once I saw a rock climber.
This is just amazing. Actually, get the other side.
Yeah, let's do a switcheroonie.
This is a drag. As you can see, and probably hear, I am standing under a little roof, but it's raining outside. The rest of the day was actually a great riding day. I really enjoyed it, but I think there's a lot of thoughts in my head about getting back to work and looking at all the things that I need to do to get Siggi, we need to do at Coh&Co to get Siggi up and running. Yeah, it's back to reality in a few days. So those thoughts begin to seep back into my mind. One more night and then I'm in Vienna. Ciao.